Hello, I'm Professor Dr. Esther Mala, your SDG mentor here, welcoming you again to the Grand Global Peace and Sustainable Development Summit 2024. Congratulations and best wishes to the team of Witty Gossip Association and Medicaps University, Indore, India. This summit will focus on educating young minds about 17 Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. Our theme for this fourth edition will be fostering unity for equity, empowering the next generations for sustainable progress. This time around, we have 70 speakers from 70 countries alongside with representatives from 17 international organizations who will dedicate 17 days to bring peace and sustainability to this ultra-modern business world. Let us connect nations by joining hands. We are looking forward to seeing you at the Global Peace and Sustainable Development Summit from 1st April to 17th April 2024. Thank you.